Patterns sometimes ask you to slip a stitch from the left-hand needle to the right-hand needle without knitting it. This is often abbreviated to slip 1, SL1, and it can be used to create texture in your knitting, in colour work, in shaping, or as in this pattern, to create a nice edge. Always slip a stitch purlwise unless otherwise instructed, as this will transfer the stitch without twisting it. So take the tip of the right-hand needle and insert as if to purl, and then slide the stitch off the left-hand needle onto the right hand. And that is slipping a stitch purlwise. Sometimes a pattern will specify to slip a stitch knitwise. This might be to create a texture, or can be used in decreasing your stitches. Insert the tip of the right-hand needle up underneath the stitch on the left-hand needle as if to knit it, and slide it onto the right-hand needle.